Are you planning to buy a house but don't know where to start? Fear not, because today we're going to demystify the process and take you through it step by step. Firstly, it's important to determine your budget. This is a crucial step because it sets the foundation for the rest of your home buying journey. It's not just about the price of the house itself, but also considering other costs such as property taxes, homeowner's insurance, and maintenance. Next, it's time to get pre-approved for a mortgage. This step is key because it shows sellers that you're a serious buyer. It also gives you a clear picture of the amount you can borrow and the interest rate you will be offered. Once you've got your financials in order, the fun part begins: house hunting. This is where you get to visit different homes and neighborhoods to find that perfect place to call your own. Remember, it's not just about the house itself, but also the community, school district, and proximity to your work and amenities. After finding the house that ticks all your boxes, it's time to make an offer. This can be a nerve-wracking step, but it's important to stay calm and make a competitive, yet reasonable offer. If your offer is accepted, congratulations, but hold the celebrations just yet, because now it's time for the home inspection. This is a crucial step to ensure there are no hidden issues with the house that could cost you down the line. Once the home inspection is cleared, it's time to finalize your mortgage. This involves providing your lender with all the necessary documentation and waiting for them to approve your loan. The final step in the home buying process is the closing. This is where you'll sign all the necessary paperwork, pay any remaining costs, and finally receive the keys to your new home. To summarize, the process of buying a house involves determining your budget, getting pre-approved for a mortgage, house hunting, making an offer, getting a home inspection, finalizing your mortgage, and closing the deal. It may seem daunting, but by breaking it down into these manageable steps, you'll be well on your way to owning your dream home. Thanks for joining us on this journey today. Remember, it's not just about buying a house, it's about finding a home. Here's to making your home buying dream a reality.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and don't forget to share, likes and comment.